Moving on, the International Monetary Fund says Malawi is requesting a 4-year credit facility extension to help the country gather finances to pay its debts. The IMF says restoring debt sustainability and resolving a case involving alleged misreporting of foreign exchange reserves are the prerequisites for support. Here are the details of the story and much more from across the continent.
Malawi has requested a 4-year extended credit facility from the International Monetary Fund to help with the balance of payment difficulties. The country has been experiencing acute foreign currency shortages that has seen its kwacha weakened by 25% against the dollar. The IMF team conducted a mission to agree on a macroeconomic framework, policies and reforms. The International Monetary Fund says it welcomes the move to normalize the forex market and that Malawi's authorities have engaged a debt advisor to support efforts to address unsustainable public debt. Meanwhile, rising fuel costs are forcing many people in Uganda to bike rather than drive to save on transport costs. A road in the middle of Kampala's central business district has been designed for non-motorized transport. Authorities believe that creating more cycling lanes in the city will help cut emissions and also promote healthy living for city dwellers. Authorities are now setting up more car-free zones. Data from Makerere University shows that air control monitors are hitting record highs by 5 to 7 times above the World Health Organization required levels. But as more cyclists hit the streets of Kampala, the carbon footprint could soon be reduced. Finally, more than 2,200 confiscated motorcycle taxis have been crushed in Nigeria's biggest city of Lagos, following a ban on the vehicle due to rising cases of accidents and insecurity. Motorbikes, popularly known as Okadas in Nigeria, have been classified as the latest threat to safety and security. The Lagos state government is now seizing and crushing those caught violating its latest ban. The ban has had a mixed reaction from local residents, with some saying riders drive dangerously, while others say Okada riding provides vital work for young people. The government says it has recorded 85% compliance in the first week of the ban.